Let's quickly check in on Wall Street, where equities continue to trade flat after opening marginally in the green. Of course, the weekly jobless claims data is supporting equities on the street today. So there you have it. It's just 8 points up against 5 points up at the start of trades. Also, the fact that the trade deficit for the month of September has come in much better than what traders were expecting. That's also lending support to the street. But remember, what you are seeing on your screen is a performance after the huge routing that equities took yesterday post Barack Obama's victory and his return to presidency in the United States. Right, let's see how the European markets reacted to the ECB's announcement. We've got Kimberly Lim joining us from London. Kimberly, tell us how markets are shaping up today.
Well, Europe higher, and certainly also those lower numbers seen in the previous session. Now, the FTSE Euro First 300 is up about that 0.5% mark. The big gainer in Europe, German engineering giant Siemens, it's up about 3% after reporting a smaller than expected fall in profits. It also unveiled planned cost savings of 6 billion euros. Now, elsewhere around the market, some cheer from the miners. Stock 600 basic resources index up around 0.5%. Also seeing defensives, food and beverages and healthcare performing well. Helping sentiment earlier, Spain showed that investors will buy long-term debt with a successful bond auction. Madrid sold 4.8 billion euros of bonds, more than the targeted amount, and Spain can now also start raising funds for next year ahead of schedule. Now, despite the higher numbers, analysts say any gains are likely capped given the weak economic backdrop here in Europe. Out earlier, data showed German exports fell at their fastest pace since December, really re-emphasising to the market that Europe's struggles are also taking root in the region's biggest economies. In another news, of course, central bank action on this side of the woods. Both the ECB and Bank of England left interest rates unchanged, much as expected.